I will be solving Himaiki's, I don't know how to pronounce it, but algebra problems. Now, number 1, right? So it's y equals 6x negative 11. So these are simultaneous equations, I think that's what they're called. So right off the bat, this is quite easy because as you notice, this says y equals this. So we already have the problem of multiple variables solved. So all we need to do is substitute this into y. Now, that would be 2x plus 3 times 6x negative 11 equals 7. Multiply. You see what I mean? So that would be 2x plus 3 times 6, which is 18x, negative 33 equals 7. Yeah, this is what happens when you expand or something. You put these two together, that makes 20x negative 33 equals 7. So then you do plus 33 on each side. X equals 40. That's a bit too perfect, don't you think? 40 divided by 20 is 2. So there you go. Divided by 20, divided by 20. And to check if this is correct, you could always substitute the x in another equation. I need to solve for y. So let's just, I suppose we could use this one, right? Hopefully that'll work. So y equals 6 times 2, negative 11, I believe. Yeah. So then this would equal to 6 equals 12 minus 11, which is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Now let me put this in my calculator to double check. I'm going to be using this equation to check. So then you put 2 times 2 plus 3 times 1, which is equal to 7. So there you go. Y equals 1, x equals 2. So now for the next problem. So 3x plus 8y equals negative 20, negative 5x plus y equals 19. All you need to do is rearrange the equation so that you see what y equals. So this would be y equals 19 plus 5x, because you're just gonna move that there. In a way, because then it becomes positive. It's, cancellation. You guys should know this by now. So then you substitute it. Yeah, let's just substitute it into this one. 19 plus 5x equals negative 20. So 8 times 19, I don't know what that is. 152. And 8 times 5 is 40x negative 20. Then we put these two together, 43x. I'll just minus this right now. So we're doing negative 20 minus 152, which is 172. So then all I gotta do is divide 43 from both sides, which comes out to be a perfect 4. Not a perfect 4, a perfect negative 4. Yeah, so this is one answer. I'm assuming I need to solve for the variable. Now let's take the other equation and solve for y. Actually, let's take the one that I did. So 19 plus 5 times negative 4 equals y. This together, if you know your times table, 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So there you go. It is negative 1. I already verified this, so I know it's true. You could try it yourself, whatever. X equals negative 3y plus 1. x equals 4y plus 15. So this both equals to x. Wait, oh, they're both equal to each other. That's the whole point. So you just, because this is the same. They're both the same. They're equal to each other. So now you can solve for y. No, let's get rid of this 1. So that would be negative 3y equals 4y plus 14. Because I just did negative 1, negative 1. Then I gotta get rid of this. We gotta bring the y's together. 7y equals 14. Okay, they make this way too perfect. So then you divide negative 7. Well, you divide 14 by negative 7, which should be negative 2. Yeah. This is the answer for y. Now, as for the x, we just gotta substitute it into 1. So x equals 4 times something plus 15. Negative 2. Now, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 15. X equals 7. And to verify your answer, you put it in the... let's just check if this is equal to 7 to verify this. So negative 3 times negative 2 plus 1. Yep, 7. I did that on the calculator. You're just gonna have to trust me on this. Let's analyze the situation, right? Okay, this is easy. We could just do x equals negative 3 plus y. This is our second equation. And we substitute that. Yes. So 3 equals negative 3 plus y minus 3y equals negative 4. All I did was substitute this. Because that's how you do stuff. So negative 9 plus 3y cancels out the other one. So I just... You know what? I'll write it anyways. 3y. And you may be like, oh, 3y minus... Yep. You erase that. Equals negative 4. That is not true. Huh. It's possible for the answer to be nothing. I could do x 4 plus 3y. Then that would be... Then divide everything by 3. Let's see if this works. Which brings us back to this thing. Interesting. It's very interesting. If I were to multiply everything by negative 1, which would then be negative x plus y, and then 3 should be equal to 3 plus x. Alright, so I have concluded. Okay, I can't find anything, so I'm gonna assume that it's one of those equations that are not meant to be solved, and they're just there to mess with you. Okay, yep, next equation. Number 5. Number 45. Y equals 2 plus x. Y equals 3x plus 5. Well, this is the same as the other one. You just equal it to each other. 2 plus x equals 3x plus 5. Now you do 2 equals 2x plus 5. Then you do minus 5 on each side, which is negative 3 here. Then 2x. Let me explain what I did. And then you divide negative 3 by 2. Negative 1.5 equals x. Now to solve for y, you just substitute that. So this would be y equals 2 minus 1.5, y equals 0.5. Now we check in the other equation. Y equals 3 times 5 plus 5. So then it's negative 4.5 plus 5. Y equals 0.5. So yeah, this is gonna be the answers. Well, that's it. I hope you understand algebra now. Sorry that I couldn't find number 4, but I think it's just meant to be unsolvable. Unsolvable. Farewell.
Pick a side, pick a side.
Okay.
Oh my